with respect to going after erring officials, kaya ni incoming ombudsman ang kahit na kaalyado nila?
Mhm. Well,
Kaalyado
that is
ng
the
Marcos
challenge.
administration.
Opo, that is the challenge, because obviously the Remulla is very closely associated with the president. I mean, the Remulla family have been allies of the Marcoses, the Marcos dynasty, since even the time of Marcos Sr. He served as Justice Secretary for the past 3 years. And the secretary is, of course, considered as the alter ego of the president. So, meron ng impression or bagahe ngayon ang ombudsman na partisan. No? So, the challenge is to show that he will pursue the investigation, prosecution, and conviction of all involved in flood control, corruption, or plunder, regardless of political color. No? Yung sabi nga, sa mga rally, lahat ng sangkot dapat managot. So that falls heavily on the ombudsman. Yun ang hamon kay Ombudsman Remulla.